channel. Today we're going to be making bread. We're going to be making fried bread. So let's get started. In my bowl, what I've done is I've taken 9 grams of instant yeast and added 2 tablespoons of sugar along with lukewarm water, and I've mixed all of them together. Now I'm going to wait until this becomes nice and frothy. In a while, it should take about 10 minutes for the entire liquid mixture that I made to turn into froth. And once it is frothy, that means my yeast has started activating, and I'm going to use that in my flour. So let's get back to you in the next 10 minutes. Whilst the yeast is activating, what I've done is I've taken chili flakes, oregano, and clarified butter and have made a paste out of it like so. How much chili flakes you want depends on how spicy you want it. So adjust the proportion as per your taste, okay? But what I have done is I've taken 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. In my mixing bowl, I've taken around 500 grams of white flour or plain flour. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, two teaspoons of baking powder, as you can see now, the yeast has nicely bubbled up and become so frothy. Now you know it's ready to be mixed with my flour. So let's mix this with the flour. I'm going to mix the entire mixture nicely along with my flour and get back to you once I nicely knead it and mix it well. Next I'm going to add is 1 egg. Mix this as well. Nicely mix the egg. Next I'm going to add is half a cup of water and mix this also. Finally, I'm going to add a little bit of fresh cream. Fresh cream. So I've added about 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. I'm going to now start kneading the dough with all my ingredients once they are put in. I'm going to keep kneading it till it becomes into a nice smooth dough, and then show you how it looks. At this stage, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of oil, or you could add some butter as well, on your choice. I'm adding a little oil, okay, and continue kneading it. So here you go, my dough is ready. What I am now going to do is I'm going to put it in a dark, warm place for it to rise for the next 1 hour. It's been an hour now, and you can see how it has risen twice its volume. Look at it. We're now ready to start making the bread. Let's begin. So here you go. My fried bread is ready. Look how delicious they look. Let me show you one, how they are so fluffy from inside and gooey. Nice and soft and crunchy from inside. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also ensure that you share and like the recipe. Don't forget the bell icon so that you get further notification about the next recipe. I'm going to now enjoy my fried bread. I hope you will try this at home as well. Goodbye.